Hello guys, welcome to Start Coding. Previously we discussed about the LED programs like LED on, LED off, like single LED, multiple LEDs. We discussed the programs. If anyone did not see, go and check out the videos. So today also we are discussing about the LED program but different way. Different way. So now you can see here. So method 1 already till now we are discussing about the pin mode we used. For example, LED is output. So till now we written the programs like this. So we are taking the pin mode and whatever the pin we are going to connect, that we are giving here and output. So one more method is that method 2. One more method we have. So we have a two methods, method 1 and method 2. So till now we used method 1, both are fine, there is a no problem. So what is the difference we are seeing method 1 versus method 2? So now till now we used method 1. Okay, so now method 2 how we will write? So same similar pin mode, here we will give the names LED comma output. So previously directly we are giving the number like which pin we are going to connect. So now what we are doing here, we are giving the name of that pin. Instead of giving the number, we are giving the pin. So whenever you are going with method 2, one more thing we need to do, as define. So name we need to give. So same name LED comma, so pin number where you are going to connect. Okay, so if you are going with method 1, this is fine, just one line you can write, that is fine. But when you are going with method 2, you need to do, first you need to declare and we need to write a this line. First declaration we need to do, later we need to write. So why why we are going with this method too? Most of the time if you see the programs, most of the time we'll see the names only. Why we are using the names? So actually directly we are declaring the pin number, writing is simple, right? Directly we can declare. So method 2, when we are going, we need to, here we need to declare like as define something like that. But why we are going still method 2? So why? Because here see, for example, so in this method also we have a pin mode. For example, we are connecting the one more LED output, simple. So here also I am going to connect one more LED as define name LED. So one, and here I am giving the some number. Method 1 also I connected two LEDs. In method 2 also I am connecting two LEDs. So here also I will write LED 1, same name, whatever you are writing here, same name we need to use. Okay, two LEDs. Now we will write a program for this. Already we saw how to write. So digital write 4 comma I. Okay, 4 comma I, same digital write. So now I am going to explain the difference. See, I. Okay, so this method 1 LEDs are on. For method 2 also we are going to on. Program wise same, there is no difference. Here also same LED comma high digital write LED 1 comma high. So already programming we know, no need to worry. So previous videos already we discussed the programs. So now we can see now all are on. Now I am going to make it as a low. Okay, so this program already we know. So we have two methods. Method 1 we are declaring the two LEDs. For method 2 we are declaring the two LEDs. Okay, so pin numbers. So any pin, we are not talking about the pin numbers. Just we are talking about the methods and method 1 and method 2. What is the major difference? Why we are going with method 2? Okay, now see, for example, this is I connected to 4 and 5. So in further I need to change. This is the 15. Okay, this is the some 18, I want to change pin numbers. In while doing the project or while doing time, I need to change some necessary, the fourth pin is damaged, fifth pin is damaged, I want to change. Let us assume, so first I want to change the 15th, 4 to 15 I am moving, pin number 4 to 15th I am moving. So for this wherever we are declared 4, okay, I need to give the 15. 4, where is 4, 4, 15. Okay, I need to modify. So in this project or in this program, this 4 is declared only 2 times. So we are easily able to modify. If by chance, if we declare 10 times or 15 times, 20 times, then so 20 places we need to modify 4 to 15. If we miss any place, if we miss any one of the place, the output we did not get properly. Okay, so same you can see. So for this LED, so this is connected to 8th pin. So now I am moving to some 19th. So this is LED. LED is connected to 8th pin. Now I am moving to the 19th. What I need to do? So I will go here. I will make it as a 19. That's it only. No need to do anything. So remaining entire program same. There is no problem. You will get the output as it is. Only one place. So this LED, where how many times you can declare doesn't matter. 15, 20, 100 times also. Just change here one number is fine. So same here also. For example, here also I am moving. So this is connected to 6 to some 22 I am moving. Okay. So 22 moving. Here if you change 22, fine. Entire program it will change. So just I am taking the random numbers. Okay. Whatever it is, analog digital, that is nothing. Just you need to see about the concept only. We are not talking about the pins. Okay, concept wise. Okay, method 1 versus method 2. So you can write the program method 1 also, right? No problem. Method 2 also fine, no problem. But method 2 only preferable. Why? Because you are seeing right difference. So one number if you want to change in method 1, wherever you declared, all places we need to change. Every place you need to go and change. So in method 2, just you can change here. It will applicable to all places. Very simple, right? So applicable. For example, 22 to 23. Easily you can change here. That's it. Program side, no need to change. Everything is same, right? There is a chance pin will damage or something is happened. Pin is not working or that pin we are using some other purpose. There is a chance, right? So because of that, just only one change. So in this also fine, but it will take too much time if you are missing anywhere. Means very difficult to find. So each and every line, like wherever we declared, all places we need to check and change. That is also difficult only. So this is the one type. So another type also is there, like one of the thing and one more thing also is there. Why we are going with this method? Okay, so this is clear, right? Now we are seeing about the another example why we are using the method 2. One more example. For example, here we are connecting the LEDs, right? So output devices, we can connect the output devices for this pin, not only LED. We can connect the LED, LCD also we will connect. So that we will see. For example, go with LED only. Okay. So LED only we are going. So I will take one more also. 6 comma. So one more difference I am going to tell here. Why preferable for a method 2 for that. Okay. So for example, here I am connecting the LEDs. Okay. Let us take 3 is fine. You can understand simply. Here I am connecting the red LED or yellow. Here I am connecting the green LED. Okay. So 3 LEDs I am connecting. For example, if you are connecting 10 LEDs, red, green, yellow, or some whatever it is, 10 LEDs you are going to connect. Let's see. Simple example I will tell here. See here, this is a red. One more LED. This is yellow. Some green. We have a green. Okay. So green. Okay. Just listen the concept and understand. So what we are discussing here. 3 LEDs we have. So for both in method 2 also let us assume same LEDs we are going to connect pin mode. So what I will do means here I will give the names only. Red. I told you, right? Any name is fine. There is a no problem. We can use the any name. So red, same names. Yellow, and one more I will take as define yellow and green. Some 25. Okay. So whatever it is, any problem. So here it is a red and same name. So same you need to give whatever it is. Same name you need to give. And green, comma, output device. Okay. So both are similar. So method 1 and method 2 both are same. Their declaration is completed. So now we have a 3 LEDs. 3 LEDs is connected to 3 places. For example, so red is connected to some 4, yellow is connected to 5, green is connected to 6. So same as for that we will connect here. For example, I need to switch on the green LED. Okay, some green LED I need to switch on here. What I need green is connected to 6th pin. Okay, so let us assume 6th pin green is connected. Okay, I'm not talking about this controller exactly pin structure. For understanding purpose only I'm taking the pin numbers. Okay, so just I'm taking the normal numbers. If you want to take exact number means you need to see here and we'll take like 16, 5, 18 like that we will take. But just for your understanding purpose only I'm taking the simple numbers. to understanding purpose. Just here see the concept only. No need to check about the pin numbers. This all are. Why? Because this pin number, how to on, how to off, already we discussed in previous videos. Okay. See here. Okay. Yellow color I need to switch on. What I need to do? I need to find the yellow color where it is connected. How to check? Go up and see. Yellow is connected to 5. 5 comma high. Okay. Like this we will do. For example, red. Red we need to on. Digital right. Red. Red is connected to 4, right? Red is connected to 4 comma high will do. So like this we have to do. For example, 10 LED or 10 sensors are connected. So what we need to do? Always we need to go here and we need to see so which pin it is connected. So green is connected to 6. Come here again we need to write. So in method 1. In method 2, what we will do? Even I did not see also, we will write. See. So digital write. Okay. Digital write. I need to switch on the green. What I will do? Green comma high. No need to see anywhere. No need to go up also. Okay. So digital right again. I need to switch on the red LED. Red comma I will write. So why? Because while declaring time only I'm giving the names as per that. No need to go and see everywhere. Okay, you need to switch on yellow directly. Yellow comma the LED. Understood, right? What is the difference between the this and that method? Method 1 and method 2. Simple, right? So now you can tell me which is method is easy. That way we can use. But preferred is method 2. Okay, whatever the programs we are doing, we will do the faster only. Yeah. Till for now, example, we saw method 1 and method 2, and one more type also is there, like method 3. It is similar to method 2 only, but declaration is a little bit different. In method 2, we declared as define. Here we will declare different type. That is only different. So constant int LED is equal to wherever you want to connect, that we will give. Remaining entire program similar only. Only declaration is a little bit different. So remaining entire program almost same only. Like we will make as a pin mode LED comma output. And here also we'll write same digital write LED comma I. So like this we will write. Okay, these all are 3 methods we discussed. Using these 3 methods usually we'll write the programs. So we can prefer we can use any method, but second method is good, preferable second method.